In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear parking assist camera on this Nissan Altima. This will be mounted to your trunk. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Pop the trunk. With the trunk in the upright position, we're going to remove the inside insulation. This is held in place with several push clips that make their way all the way around. To remove your push clips, you can use a trim tool or a small screwdriver. Make your way underneath the center of the push clip to unlock it. As you pry that away from the outer portion, it will become unlocked and you can remove the entire thing. Once you have that one out of there, we'll just continue down the line. We'll take hold of this and pull it out of place. With the insulation pulled away, we'll continue on to disconnecting the wiring harness. We'll take hold of the center area here. That's where the lock is. Squeeze that in and separate this. Give it a quick check for corrosion on both sides. Now we'll continue on with removing 4 mounting nuts. These 4 10mm nuts, there's one located up in here, 2 along the center, and 1 all the way over on the opposite side of the vehicle. Now that we have all those out of there, let's continue on the outside. We'll be using a plastic trim tool to start separating this trim panel from the trunk. There we are. We can pull this away. We'll use our trim tool to remove the parking assist camera. Press in on the locking tab. Now we can bring this out of the trunk. There it is, friend. Let's get ready to install our brand new parking assist camera. When we put this in position, we'll be paying attention to each side. We'll have to start with the passenger side. We'll put this in first. As we hook it in, we'll continue on with the locking side, which is on the driver's side. Let's bring this up in here. We'll pay attention up inside that hole. Slide that through. Lock it in. We'll listen for a click from that. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's perfectly secure. You don't want this wiggling around. Now we can continue on with putting on our panel. Let's take this panel and we'll start putting it in place, paying attention to all of our mounting points making their way across. We want to make sure that each of them are properly aligned before we continue pressing this in. Now that we have that pressed into place, let's make our way on the inside of the trunk so we can install our 4 10mm mounting nuts. Now that they're all started, let's go ahead and snug them up. That's nice and tight. Let's reconnect our electrical connector. Listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Now it's time to start reinstalling our push clips. You want to make sure that you have them in the unlock position with the center pulled down and away from the outer portion. Once you've done that, we'll align this inner area here with the trunk itself and press those into position. Once you have the outer portion pushed in, lock it in by pressing in the center. Now we can install all 10 of our push clips. Now we can install our grab handle. You'll find that this is angled. Make sure you have it in the proper orientation so that when you are holding it, it's going to be sitting like this. We'll take this and slide it right into position in the trunk. Press it in, make sure it's secured on all 4 corners. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the parking assist camera on your vehicle. At this point, close the trunk and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.